Yaowarat, also known as Bangkok's Chinatown, is a vibrant and bustling neighborhood renowned for its rich cultural heritage and delectable culinary scene. Here are some of the key attractions and highlights of Yaowarat. Street food. Yaowarat is a food lover's paradise. The neighborhood is renowned for its street food stalls and restaurants offering a wide array of mouthwatering dishes. From savory dim sum and roasted duck to seafood, noodles, and exotic fruits, visitors can indulge in a gastronomic adventure. Wat Tramet. Located in Yaowarat, Wat Tramet is home to the famous Golden Buddha, the world's largest solid gold statue. Weighing 5.5 tons. The statue is an impressive sight and attracts visitors from all over the world. Sampung Lane. Sampung Lane is a bustling market street in Chinatown where you can find a wide variety of goods, from clothing and accessories to household items and souvenirs. It's a vibrant and lively place to explore, bargain, and discover unique treasures. Talad Noi. Talad Noi is a charming and historic neighborhood within Yaowarat. Its narrow alleyways are lined with old shophouses, traditional Chinese temples, and street art. It's a great area to wander around and experience the local atmosphere. Chinese temples. Yaowarat is dotted with numerous Chinese temples, each with its own unique architectural style and cultural significance. Some notable temples to visit include Wat Mankon Kamalawat, Wat Leng Noe Yi, and Wat Shakrawat. Yaowarat Heritage Center. Located in the heart of Chinatown, the Yaowarat Heritage Center provides insights into the history, culture, and traditions of the Chinese community in Bangkok. It offers exhibitions, displays, and interactive presentations to deepen your understanding of Chinatown's heritage. Yaowarat Walking Street. On weekend evenings, Yaowarat Walking Street comes alive with vendors, performers, and crowds of visitors. The street is closed to traffic, allowing pedestrians to explore and enjoy the lively atmosphere, street food, live music, and cultural performances. Exploring Yaowarat allows you to immerse yourself in the vibrant Chinese culture, indulge in delicious cuisine, and experience the bustling energy of this historic neighborhood.